Join me as I challenge myself to create the most decorated gingerbread cookies ever for Christmas. Decorating gingerbread cookies is one of my favorite Christmas traditions. There's something so magical about transforming a plain cookie into a work of art that's not only delicious, but also becomes a beautiful centerpiece for your holiday table. When it comes to decorating gingerbread cookies, I know a lot of people can get intimidated. They think it's going to be a huge mess, or that they're not creative enough, or that it's just too hard. You might be thinking, I'm not artistic, I can't do this. Or, I've tried before and it just didn't turn out right. Maybe you're worried that you'll end up with a bunch of ugly cookies that you're too embarrassed to even show anyone. Maybe you've had experiences where you've spent hours decorating cookies, only to have them turn out mediocre at best. You might have tried following a recipe or a tutorial, but it just didn't seem to work out for you. Or maybe you're just feeling stuck and don't know where to start. But today, I want to show you that decorating gingerbread cookies doesn't have to be scary or intimidating. With a few simple tips and tricks, you can create cookies that are truly stunning and that will make your friends and family go, wow. Okay, so let's get started. The first step is to bake your gingerbread cookies. You can use a pre-made mix or make your own dough from scratch, whichever you prefer. Once your cookies are baked and cooled, it's time to start decorating. For this project, I'm using a few different types of icing: a royal icing for outlining and detailing, and a thicker, more textured icing for filling in the designs. You can also add some sparkle with edible glitter or sprinkles to really make your cookies pop. One of the most important things to remember when decorating gingerbread cookies is to keep it simple. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things, but also don't be too hard on yourself if your cookies don't turn out exactly as you envisioned them. The most beautiful cookies are often the ones that are a little imperfect and a little bit quirky. As I work on decorating these cookies, I'm going to share some of my favorite tips and tricks for getting the most out of your icing and decorations. From using a turntable to spin your cookies as you work, to getting creative with your piping bags and tips, I'll show you how to take your cookie decorating skills to the next level. And finally, after all the hard work and creativity, we get to the best part, revealing the finished cookies. I'm absolutely thrilled with how these turned out. The combination of colors and textures is just so festive and fun. Take a look at how far we've come, from plain, undecorated cookies to these stunning works of art. It just goes to show that with a little practice and patience, you can create beautiful gingerbread cookies that will be the star of your holiday party. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process. Don't be too hard on yourself if your cookies don't turn out exactly as you hoped. The imperfections are often what make them the most charming. Thanks so much for joining me on this festive adventure. If you have any favorite gingerbread decorating tips or tricks, be sure to share them in the comments below. And if you want to see more holiday baking videos, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next video.